Almost gave up on the time. Thought love was a train I missed. Watched it roll past in the distance, carrying all my wishes. I learned how to sleep in the silence, made peace with an empty side. Told myself I was fine alone, even when I lied. Almost every maybe, every door that closed on me let me hear without me knowing what it meant to be. You were the wait, every second, every heartbreak, every tear that wouldn't fade led me to your arms that night. You were the fall, all the times I hit the bottom, all the nights I felt forgotten. Now I see it all so clear. Love showed up right here. You were the way. I wore my doubt like a shadow, let it follow everywhere. Built the walls out of questions no one could repair. Then you walked in like a sunrise, breaking through what I believed. And every piece I tried to hide, you could somehow see. If I met you back then, we would have slipped right through two unfinished stories, trying to make it true. The time was writing something better than I knew. Every broken moment was building me up. Even on the nights I couldn't see what was waiting there for me. You were the way. There was a mile mark bending in the heat, sky stretched thin like a worn-out sheet. I wasn't looking for a sign or a clue, just driving through what I couldn't undo. Old radio barely holding a tune, static dancing in the afternoon. And something slipped through the empty blue, like it had a map straight leading to you. I didn't turn the dial, didn't ask for anything new, but there it was breaking through. It was a song that found you out on the road with nothing left to prove. Fell through the cracks in the quiet and the blue, like it always knew. It was a song that found you, didn't matter where you were passing through. Hit like a truth you never could outmove. Yeah, it found you. Windshield humming with a low refrain, dustless horizon, no hint of rain, but every word felt sharp and true, like it was written in a room I knew. I pulled over just to hear it clear, heart catching up to my ears. And in that moment something shifted view, like I've been seen without a single clue. Maybe you waited in the wires for years, slipped through stations, dodged all the noise. was the same. It was the song that found you, soft as a spark, but it cut right through. Lit up a place you thought you always knew, but never could. It was the song that found you. No need to chase what was already true. Some things arrive when your heart makes room. Yeah, it found you. Radio faded, but I still hear it move, like it's riding every road I choose. Not something lost or something to pursue, just the song that found you. I saw the way you looked at her like she lit a match inside your chest. Don't bother telling me it's harmless. I've memorized your worst and best. Your coat still smelled like winter air, and something sweet that wasn't mine. You came home late with lips half tucked behind a crooked silent lie. So don't say her name, I already know. I watched it happen, soft and slow. The way your fingers brushed her wrist, like I was someone you could miss. Hope she tastes the guilt you hid, 'cause I was that girl you kissed before you learned to forget me quick. I'm not the storm you thought I'd be. I'm quieter than you deserve, but every calm hides undertow. And baby, I have heard your words. You said you love me like no other. I guess she must be just like air, the kind that sneaks into your lungs while I'm still choking on your care. So don't say her name, I already know. I felt it shift that undertow. The way your smile began to twist, like love was something you could quit. You marked me like a cigarette, then burned through that girl you kissed, like I was just your last regret. And maybe she won't mind the ghosts you carry in your heavy hands, but I hope one night you see my face when you're trying hard to love again. So don't say her name, I carved it deep into the space you used to keep. The warmth I gave, the tears I hid, the version of me you dismissed. Hope she knows who paid the price for that girl you kissed, and every lie behind that night. Yeah, I was that girl you kissed, and the one you left behind. Autumn carries walking past the old bakery. The morning light once caught your hair. The scent of rain on cobblestone mingles with memories I can't repair. I trace the paths we used to know, past windows reflecting what I can't let go. 'Cause every breeze that passes by carries fragments of goodbye, like perfume in the air tonight, leading me back to our time. Your fragrance haunts